Hello beautiful people. In this video I'll be showing you 5 ways how to make PayPal money online worldwide. If this sounds good to you, be sure to stick around until the end and be sure to hit that like button also. The first option I'll be showing you is by going on to usertesting.com, and on this website you'll be getting paid to simply share your opinion. You'll be one of the first individuals to get access to certain websites and apps, and you will simply go onto them, and depending on your user interface with the website or app, you'll simply come back onto user testing and share how you felt while using the app and so on, and you'll be able to start earning PayPal money. By the way, there are other websites like this that pays individuals to test websites and apps. The second option that I would also recommend is this website by the name of Superpay.me, and this website pays you PayPal money to simply do surveys. But the thing about this website, if I'm being honest, is it depends on where you live, as if you're living in the Caribbean, you won't get as much offers as persons that are living in America or European countries. The third option that I would recommend you explore if you want to start making PayPal money worldwide is by becoming an affiliate. And one of the best affiliate programs to sign up to and start making some real PayPal money is purevpn. And as the name implies, this is a VPN platform that you'll be getting paid to simply promote their affiliate link. As you can see here with purevpn, you can start earning with our highest paying VPN affiliate program, and they have over 100,000 affiliates thus far, and they have the best payouts in the industry, up to 100% commission, a flat 35% recurring commission for lifetime on all plans. So you can definitely give them a try. And otherwise, from the commission, one of the reasons why I would recommend that you sign up with purevpn as an affiliate is this: their 90-day cookie period. So that means that once you put your affiliate link out there and someone taps on it, that affiliate link will be valid for up to 90 days. Unlike Amazon or so on that only lasts for 30 days, purevpn goes for 90 days. Another option that you can look at is by doing some freelancing. So you could sign up to a website by the name of People Per Hour, on which you can go on, and if you like writing or translating, or if you are good with technology, or if you can even simply make a thumbnail, you can sign up with any one of these freelancing websites, whether it's People Per Hour or Fiverr, and you can start making some PayPal money. And last but definitely not least, have you ever thought about making some money by doing CPA marketing, for example on Pinterest? As you can see right here, this person is getting over 130,000 monthly views on their Pinterest page, and all they are doing is promoting CPA offer. If I were to tap on any one of their pins, as you can see right here, they are giving away PUG free, UC and BP links. So once a person taps on their link and goes onto their page, you'll be asked to enter your name and email address. And once you enter your name and email address, the creator of this pin will be getting anywhere from $1 to $2 or even more, as it all depends on the country that you live in. So to simply create pins like this and get hundreds of thousands of views, this person is making a lot of money per month and per day by doing this, by promoting CPA offers. These are just a few of the ways how you can start to make PayPal money online worldwide. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. If you would like me to do a second part to this video, let me know in the description, and thank you for watching.